Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial for Learn AutoCAD from Example. Today we're gonna handle a simple sketch like this. Here you can see there is almost nothing, just straight line. But I would like to teach you how you can control these dimensions as well as how you can make perfect straight line by using Orthomodes. So before we begin, I would like to mention these factors. All activities that we are doing here is on a template. In my previous video, I already explained how you can create a template so that you can follow certain standards. So for this activity, we're going to use module template A, and the unit is set up in inches. That means everything that you're seeing here is in inches. So first, let me open the template into AutoCAD. This is our set of templates available here. Let me open template A. So let's begin. The template is being opened. And we know that the units is in inches. If you want to check, go here, go to drawing utilities and units, and you can see this is already set up in inches. Let it be there. Now quickly come back to our sketch. So this is a question. This is the one thing that we are going to make. So it is obvious that the starting point of this sketch is nothing other than x equal to 2 and y equal to 4. So we are following the Cartesian coordinate system on AutoCAD right now, and the x coordinate for the starting is 2 and y coordinate for the same is 4. That means we're gonna start with this particular point. So let's begin. So it is obvious that we're gonna use lines to handle this sketch. So over here we have our toolbox. We're gonna take line. So choose line, and when you take the line here, you can see specify the first point. So whenever you're handling AutoCAD, always look at what AutoCAD demands. So right now it demands to specify the first point, which we know that it is nothing other than 2, 4. So here I would like to mention certain settings in AutoCAD that you're supposed to turn on before you begin with this activity. So right now when I choose the line, you can see the coordinate boxes are coming. So here I can put my coordinates, either x equal to 2, and if you want to jump to next, you can either hit comma or tab on your keyboard. I'm going to use comma 5 or whatever, you can enter. So when you put the coordinate, you hit enter, you can see your points start from that particular definition. Sometimes if you take the line and you come over here, sometimes you will not find these coordinate boxes. So if you are not seeing that coordinate to enter, you have to make sure you turned on this option called dynamic input. So if I turned off dynamic input, what happened? The coordinates is not coming. And if I turn this on back, now I can see the coordinate. So make sure you turned on your dynamic input. In case you're not seeing this option at all over here, you have to go to the extreme right bottom side. Here you can see there is a 3 lines. This is the customization. So click here, customization, and here you can see the option dynamic input. So if you check this one, the dynamic input toggle will be available here, and make sure you have the dynamic input option before you begin. So as now I turn on dynamic input so that I can see the coordinate, I'll take the line and come back to our question. We're going to start from x equal to 2, y equal to 4. So x equal to 2, comma, it go to y coordinate, and the y value is 4. So x equal to 2, y equal to 4, and enter. Now it start from there. Then it is very simple. From here I have to move 4 unit towards the right side. So here the only thing that we need to put in our mind, if you want a straight vertical or horizontal line, so horizontal in this manner or vertical in this manner. So whatever the case, actually you can adjust the angle and make horizontal or vertical line, but it's always easy if you want a straight line, either horizontal or vertical. It's better turned on this mode called Orthomode. So make sure you turned on Orthomode. So if you turned on Orthomode, now you can see you can draw straight line, either horizontal or vertical. So if you're not seeing this Orthomode toggle over here, and as same as what we did with the dynamic input, come over here, make sure you turned on Orthomode. So right now we have ortho mode here. Turn the ortho mode on so that you can draw straight line, and we know that it should be 4 inches towards your right. So drag your mouse towards the same direction, the right direction, put 4 and enter. So we finished that one, and now we're gonna move you can see 1 unit from here towards top. Now drag your mouse in this direction, put 1, enter. Come back to sketch this way. You can see how much it comes. This is 5 unit here, and on the top we have 4 unit. So definitely it will be 5 minus 1, which is 1 unit. So 1 unit in this direction, and again here 2 unit in this direction. So we're gonna do that. 1 unit in this direction, enter, and 2 unit in this direction, enter. So keep moving your mouse as per your requirement and just put the length that you want. As easy as that. Now come back. So here we're gonna move 1.75 this direction and 0.5 inches in this direction. So 1.75 and 0.5. So this is 1.75, enter, and move up, and this is 0.5, enter. Again in this direction, it's obvious it is 1.75 and enter. So let's see, we reached here. So from here we're gonna find what is this length. So it is readily available. This length will be 1.5. You can see symmetrically opposite side. This is 1.5, or otherwise it's easy to calculate from here. The total is 5. You subtract 0.5, 2 and 1 from 5. So you're gonna get 1.5. So 1.5 this direction, and again 4 unit towards the left. So we're gonna make 1.5, enter, and towards this direction 4 units, enter. Now take the question again. Then this direction you can see it is 1.5. And what about this? So if you check the question, the total is 5 and we have 4 units here. So this will be 1 inch towards this direction. So I'm gonna make 1.5 down and 1 unit towards my left. So 1.5 down, enter, 1 unit towards the left, enter, and we almost finished. Actually, you can do in different ways. From here, we know that this will be 5 minus 1.5, that is 3.5 inches. So we're gonna move 3.5 inches downwards, or otherwise we can simply attach from here up to the starting point. So I'm gonna show the both way. So this length we calculate, this is 3.5, enter. So once you finish, the line is still coming with you. So what you can do to get rid of this line, just hit escape button on your keyboard, escape. So it will go away. So you can do this way, or otherwise imagine you are right here with your line, and what you can do, let me zoom in so that you can see. If you come over here, you can see the line is snapping over here. So when you see that green indication, that is the snapping for the end point, you just click there, it will snap over that end point, then we are finished. So just click and we are done, escape. So you can do it in both ways. And I would like to add one more thing. If you're not seeing the snapping option right here, this is what our snapping button. So you have to make sure this is turned on, otherwise it will not show the snapping. See, if I turn this on, I can see snapping. If I turn this off, I cannot see snapping. And I am suggesting you to turn this on, and if you take this arrow, as a beginner, it is better turn on all these options so that you can easily snap everything that you want. And if you're not at all seeing this option here, as usual, go to customization and make sure you turned on 2D object snap. So if you turned on this one, you will get an option to control your snap here. So that was a quick demonstration. It's very easy. The thing that you learn here, how to use Orthomode to draw straight, horizontal or vertical line, and how you can use the dynamic input to control the coordinates in AutoCAD. So just complete this activity and have a quick start with AutoCAD. Thank you for watching.